Hi, welcome to today's video. So today we'll be seeing at this specific problem from codeforces website. So the question code is 1929A. Okay. So the question goes something like this. Sasha has decided to give his girlfriend an array with elements A1 to AN. Okay, and he found out that his girlfriend evaluates the beauty of the array as the sum of the values ai minus 1. Okay, so the difference of a ith and the I minus 1th element for all the integers ranging from 2 and n. Okay, so we have to help Sasha and tell him the maximum beauty of the array that he can obtain, right, if he rearranges the elements in any way, right. So in the we'll be given number of test cases, and then followed by each test case. Each test case will have the first integer as the first input as the length of the array, followed by the actual array elements. Okay, we have to determine the maximum beauty of the given array, given that the array elements can be rearranged among themselves. Okay, so let us try to pick one array from here. Let us try take this example and see how we can come to a logic where we can determine the maximum possible beauty of the array. Okay, I am taking this example over here. So these are the input elements of the array: 100, 54, 80, 43 and 90. So as given in the question, so beauty of the array is defined as the sum of the differences, right, of ith and I minus 1th elements. So let us just try to calculate the beauty in the given position itself. Okay, so in the given position, okay, so let me just take a value, beauty of the array. Let me just define some variable. It will be initialized to 0. Okay, so after the first pair, right, we won't be subtracting anything from 100 because that is the first element. The subtraction starts from the second element, right. Once we reach here, ai minus 1 will be 54 minus 100, right, which is negative, right, as you can see, minus 46, right. Similarly, let me just copy everything. Okay, so here we got this to be minus 46, and when we come here, this will become 80 minus 54, which is equal to 26. So minus 46 plus 26, okay, which is equal to minus 20. Okay, and then we come here, 43 minus 80. So this minus 20 will be carried from here, this plus 43 minus 80, which is equal to your minus 37. So which will become minus 57, which will be carried forward here, plus 90 minus 43, which will be 47, which will be equal to minus 10, right. So the beauty of the array in the given arrangement will be minus 10. Okay, let us just do two more examples, and I think we'll start to get to see the pattern that I just, right. So let us just say I just rearrange the given array elements like this in the descending order. Okay, let me just copy this part. Okay, here the beauty will become minus 10 because 90 minus 100, right, that will be carried forward here, plus 80 minus 90 will again be minus 10, which will be equal to minus 20 here. Okay, Then we come here, 54 minus 80, this will be equal to 26. Okay, this minus 20 will be carried forward here, plus minus 26, which is equal to minus 46, and then 43 minus 54, this will be equal to minus 11, right? So minus 46 is carried forward from here, minus 11 equal to minus 57. Okay, so as you can see here, right, if we are to find the maximum possible beauty of the array, so when will this be maximum, right? When will the beauty of the array will be maximum? It will be when all of them are positive. That is the basic condition, right? If we start getting negative values at any point, we are essentially decreasing, subtracting the value, right? So that will imply that at each step, if we have the previous element to be, as in the I minus 1th element is less than ith element, then you will always have the difference of ai and ai minus 1 to be positive, right? So whenever you encounter a value with ith value being less than the I minus 1th value, then you will start subtracting from the beauty of the array, right? So you will be able to maximize the beauty of the array if you have at each position the current element to be greater than the previous element. So that is that forms a core of the logic. So as you can see here, this ascending order format will have the maximum beauty. As you can see, let us just try to run down through the example. From here, 54 minus 43 will be 11, right? It will be carried forward here, 11 plus 80 minus 54 will be 26, which will be 37, which will be carried forward here, plus 90 minus 80 will be 10, which will be 47, and which will be carried forward here, and 100 minus 90 will be 10. The total sum will be equal to 57. So the maximum possible is 57, because let us just say you rearrange the two elements here, 90 and 80, right? You will get something like this. And let us try to find out what the beauty of this arrangement is. Okay, for the first element it will be 11, after that it will become 11 plus, this will be 36, right? 90 minus 54, which will be 36, but 80 minus 90 will be minus 10, right? 47 minus 10, and then 100 minus 80 will be 20, right? This will be 37, and then 37 plus 20. This will again give the same maximum beauty. It will never go beyond that, right? So there can be multiple answers, but definitely this will have the maximum beauty of a given array, right? So let us try to write the code for the same solution. So essentially what we are doing, we are rearranging the array in its ascending order form, and then calculating the beauty of the array, and we are outputting that to be the maximum beauty of the array. Cool. So let us go to the solution that I have come up with. So this is boilerplate. We are just taking the test cases, number of test cases. For each test case, we are taking the list elements, and then here we are sorting the list, and for each element we are essentially we are initiating the beauty, of the array, and for each element we are calculating the difference with the previous element, and then we are adding that difference to the total sum, and we are outputting that sum as the maximum beauty possible. Okay. So this matches with the expected output. Let me just copy this solution, okay, and submit it. Accepted, right? So I hope you got the logic and the solution part. And as always, please try to come up with the solution by yourself. If you are really stuck at somewhere, then please go through the first part of the video. And if you still feel that you're not able to come up with the implementation part after trying for some time, then only come back to the code part. That is the second part of the video. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it.